Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you are searching for how to update the Weverse app on your phone, whether you are using Android or iPhone, in this quick video I'll show you exactly how to update Weverse step by step and fix the old version issue. So let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom right. Navigate to your search engine. Type Weverse. Locate the official app. And here, if there's an update available, you will see a button that says update. Just tap that and let it download. If it only shows open, that means your app is already updated. If you are not seeing the update button, here's what to do. First, clear cache of the Play Store. Second, restart your phone. And third, try uninstalling and reinstalling Weverse. As of 2025, the new update includes Calendar tab, Apple Music listening party support, and faster loading and fewer bugs. And that's how you update the Weverse app easily on Android. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.